I hear the secrets that you keep. When you're talking in your sleep, I hear the secrets that you keep. When you're talking in your sleep, I hear the secrets that you keep. When you're talking in your sleep, I hear the secrets that you keep. When you're talking in your sleep. Let's set each other's lonely nights, be each other's paradise. Need a picture for my frame, someone to share my rain. Tell me what you wanna drink, tell you what I got in mind. Oh, I don't know your name, but I feel that's gonna change. You ain't gonna be my lover, for you to call me baby. Never been under no pressure, ain't that serious. Can we keep each other company? Oh, company. Maybe we can be each other's company. Oh, company. It ain't about the complications, I'm all about the elevation. We can keep it going up. Oh, don't miss out on us. Just wanna have a conversation. Forget about the obligations. Maybe we can stay in touch. All that ain't doing much. You ain't gonna be my lover, for you to call me baby. Never been under no pressure, ain't that serious. Can we keep each other company? Oh, company. Maybe we can be each other's company. Oh, company. Can we keep each other's company? Oh, company.
Pangalian ang gidto na silang claim dari may amin.
You shout it out, but I can hear what you say. I'm talking loud, not saying I'm criticized.
Bro, gede kayo sa...
Hello, good morning. Hey, good morning, everyone. Shall we start our webinar for this morning so that we can have more topics to cover? Okay, we are all six pa lang here, pero I think others will come. I proceed with the program already. Before anything else, let's welcome our resource person for this morning. She's my colleague here at the College of Computer Studies, and she's a doctor of education from Southern Philippines in Cebu City last 2016, and she's teaching IT subjects. Let me introduce to you our guest speaker this morning, Dr. Ditni P. Dakudao. Good morning.
Morning, sir. Thank you.
Ada ko ba?
Start na ta.
Yes, ma'am. You may ano ma'am, proceed, ma'am.
Okay, ma-start na ko na yun. Sige,
Yes, ma'am.
sige.
Seminar man ba? Kita mo ko?
Okay, everyone. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Percent. Okay. Kitaan nyo tanan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, ang presentation kitaon?
Hindi, ma'am. Ang sa folder lang, ma'am. Hindi, ma'am. Lain ang folder, ma'am, nga ga-contain ka presentation mo, ma'am. Ang lang kita naman, ma'am.
Ang PowerPoint, sir, kitaon?
Ang PowerPoint, ma'am, wala pa, ma'am.
Dali na, okay.
Okay, while waiting for Dr. Dakudao, let me remind everyone to please mute your microphone at all times so that you'll not be interfering with the speaker. And then please have a bottle of water beside you so that you'll be rehydrated. Okay, let me point out also that you have later on a workshop. So please, you're going to pass also your output for this morning. Okay, that will be later. Thank you.
Tara na, sir. Gawin ka, no? Wait lang. Ay, share.
Yes, ma'am.
What pag-edit?
Ari na, ma'am. Ano na, ma'am?
Okay. Na hindi kita. Okay. Morning everyone. Yung presentation ko hindi kita ang dali lang. Hindi na makita. Oh, sige, another option. No, hindi kita on gate. Me. Okay, everyone, hindi siya ma-play. So, we'll move on to your... play.
Ma'am, i-send ma'am ka na ako lang mano.
Ikaw na ma-play? Okay, sir. Sige,
Oo.
sir.
Send lang ma'am pala sa GC ma'am.
Okay, sige. Para hindi ma-delay. Sir, ara na, sir. Tapos na. Okay. Sir, ara na. Nakita mo, sir?
Okay. Yes ma'am. Ari na ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, good morning, everyone. I am your lecturer on Google Form. So today we will discuss about what is Google Form. So for the next slide. Okay, so what is Google Form? Today we are on online class, mostly of us. So we need this Google Form. So in our class, we always use this in our student, especially in taking their quizzes, their exams, and also we can use this one in our questionnaires in your research. So Google Form is another product of Google. Is an application to create web-based form, questionnaire, and collect answers online on real time. Can be used in any device. Pwede siya sa smartphone, sa inyong laptop, or sa inyong PC or tablet. As a platform, Google Form can be used for practically any online data gathering activities. From using a simple form to complex questionnaire, Google Form is useful for student doing school project and as for professional or company projects. So, sir, next slide, sir. Okay, so teachers, kita, mga teachers, educators, we always, we love to use this one, okay? Especially when getting scores, it can give you exact score. Kag why na kinanglan mag-check-check. Diretso na kit ni diretso do ka mo dahil ka kuha sa ila scores. So our experience in Google Form as a survey tool shows that Google Form is solid, reliable, secure application, secure app during questionnaire development and data gathering. The Google Form questionnaire are also looks professional. Makita nyo na karon. So this is another facing pagit kay Google Form is free. So we can use all ang gina-present sa Google Form. So here is the what it looks like sa inyong form. Google Form questionnaire description number 1. So we have here your sa inyo pero makuha mo bracket na karon makita niyo ni ang form. So we have here the theme and the yellow one indicates the description of the form. So in interest to buy new smartphone, this is for your title. The one that is here, the red line, which is required, that ends, this question means that you have to answer na required yun na siya masabtan. So this one is the only grading optional man ang iban. So by the first here, may question there is a dalom sa first part. So, dali lang, hindi ko pa nakikita. We have here the first question here sa dalom. Description, this is the questioner's description. Ang sa babaw, this question. Then your name, you have to supply the name. So this is one part of your Google form na ubrahon nyo, which is a short answer. Pwede ka mo di ka obra ka short answer. And this on the other part is a paragraph. Pwede ka mo di ka type ka inyong may question ka abi, so in paragraph form, so you can type as long a paragraph form. And this one here, sa idalom sa inyong paragraph na question is the A2 form, the following smartphone brand, please check. Okay, this is a questionnaire also. This type of question is a checkbox. Question type is a checkbox. So you can check kung ano gusto. You can choose more than one answer. Okay? So this one is, we have here, number 1 type of question is short answer. Pwede ka mo ka-answer. Example, nandaw ka question sa imo nga bata, what is your name? So pwede niya masagutan. Then another one, if you have an essay question, you can the student can answer in paragraph form. And this one is a checkbox. They can answer as more than one or more than one answer sa isa ka box. So that is why kung nakita nyo di damo siya trinian. So the next one, we will try to use this one later after sang ato yung lecture. So the next slide. Okay, this one is, if you have seen this, this is another type of question. So makita tadi karon sa inyong form. So para ma-identify nyo get. Another type of is checkbox grid. Oh, so kung na-notice nyo sa mga inyong mga questionnaire sa research, may mga survey ka mo, nag-check ka mo strongly agree. Na. So in this type, you can also use that one para sa inyong questionnaire, sa inyong mga questionnaire, pero on online form. So hindi naman kinahanglan mo padala ka papel. So you can only send them the link and then they can answer through online. So this is what we call checkbox, meaning the respondent select one or more than one answer for each box. Okay, so pwede niya siya. Another one is, we call this as checkbox. Okay? Meaning that the respondent can select one or more than one answer also. Example, may question ikaw, then pwede mo siyang gamitan sa checkbox. And you can also add another, later, i-ano ta discuss agad So, pwede man ka mo ka-add, kung may i-add ka na nga suggestions. So, this is another, ika-4, checkbox grid, and number 5 is checkbox. So, this is, makita nyo ko sa inyong form. So, next question type is, so next slide, sir. Liwag na po, sir. Okay. So sa next slide is multiple choice. We always use multiple choice sa mga quizzes natin. So kung magkamit kami example, who is the President of the Philippines? A, B, C. So we can only limit this one in only one choice. So kung magamit ka multiple choice, kinahanglan isa lang yung sabat. So pwede ka di ka-check karon isa lang din. So later, I will send you a link para nga maka-answer ka mo. Then after that, we will have to create our own. So this one is a multiple choice type of question. Then this one is a short answer. Kaina na-discuss na daw. Pwede ka mo di kasulat ka inyong name. What is your, example, what is your name? Or may pamangkot ka sa student, who is the President of the Philippines, example, identification. So you can type here, they can answer here, basta mga short type of question only. So in your paragraph, this is good for your essay. Kainan nanutado to. So this is another one type of question. And then next slide, sir. Done. Okay, another is multiple, okay na to. Naka-send na kita kaina to. Naka-send nyo na kaina. Pero lain naman nga type. Pwede ka mabi ka choice. Kalain-lain niya. Kung lain niya rectangular square. Pwede man circle. So this one is another design lang. Another lang nga type. Pero the same lang is multiple choice grid. So you can select one or for each row. Okay, so isa lang na pilihan mo. Very good for, so isa lang yun yung pili mo. So later makita to na. And this one, we can add also sa inyo a question. Example, which of the picture can represent happy face? So pwede ka mo ka-add ka mga pictures man actually sa aton yung form. So later we will do that after sa aton yung lecture. So sir, next slide, sir. Okay. So this one, ipadara ko dyan kaninyo kung gusto nyo. May basis ka mo. Mga additional na daya. Pero it could help you sa inyo nga mag-create ka mo ka inyong mga form. So this one is another, this is also the same lang sa ibang kaina, pero pwede nyo ba parehos lang kada itsura na. And also sa paragraph, okay man yung paragraph, okay doon. Sir, next slide, sir. Okay. This one is linear scale. Another one is linear scale. Example, we can ask question, in overall, how do you like or dislike the smartphone? Example, this is the question. So, example, you like it totally or dislike it totally. So may range. So ang linear scale is used sa mga range bala. You can only answer in this question only one ringgit. Example, from highest to lowest, example, you have to answer 8 or 9. You can use the linear scale in your question form. Another one is this multiple choice. Okay, the same lang kaina multiple choice. Okay. So after you have done all the things, you can also you can actually pagtapos mo na obra is i-ano mo lang na siya is save. Then you can create karon later mag-create kita para manaan yung gid. So the asterisk nga diya part kinahanglan required gidaya kinahanglan gidaya answeran. Basta mo makita ang mga question na may asterisk, then kinahanglan yung gidaya. I would, Sir Ayan, pwede ako, sir, ka-send ka link karon para nga Man, sir, may group kita, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi naka-link na sa open na natin sir para makita na karon kung ano yung result. Okay, so next slide, sir. Okay. This one is the amo na itsura gid sa inyo. Pwede niyo ma-scan ang picture, the title, depende sa inyong type inyong question to survey kung text so you can type anything you can type and you can add and change the theme or the color of your screen of the color kay inyong screen. So later karon ipakita ko ninyo para makita niyo yung mga actual gid. So, pwede niyo dyan ma-change kag budlay abi pa di karon lang kung ano kita mag-actual. So, next sir, ano yung slide sir? Okay. Okay, this one is a title section. Amo to kayo na drop down, short answer, different types of questions. So, no, pwede ka man ka-add sa katapusan. Thank you for answering the pwede mga label, pwede ka maka-add label. Then you have upon natapos nyo doon, you can click submit or you can click back kung may nalipatan ikaw. Okay, so after that, pwede pag-submit mo, pa-send na to sa tao nga nagapa-send din mga questions. So if you are the one who send question, pag after ka na, ma-respond na sa tatanan, mabaton mo doon na to. Kung ikaw yung nag-answer, just amo na dyan makita mo, and then click submit lang. After submit, okay na tayo. Okay. Kung yung student, abi gusto niya answer, or yung score na, pwede niya marapagawa yung score na yan. Depende sa yung mga option karon. So next, sir. Okay, so this one is the screen of your form. So later karon maa-add-to kita dyan. So your first thing you do is masign in ikaw sa Google account. Kung may Google account ka man tanan, dapat may Google ka mo. Then go to the Docs, Google Docs.Google form, and then later mag-click lang ka mo dyan karon. And then, in the top left, click the plus button to add new, and new form will automatically open. Tapos lang gidaya obrahon. So later, mobra kita, but before we can start, I will send you link, and then try to answer the link, and then that is only 5 questions. Okay, 5 questions lang gida. So here's the complete menu to develop your questionnaire. So makita mo da, amo dyan mag-obra doon. Kainatan na to, output lang to, ipasend ko kaninyo. Pero this one, this is how to create now. So amo dyan nga parts. Okay? So, isend ko ba dyan kaninyo yan ang presentation para makita nyo. This one is the title. Type ka mo di ka title. Example, yung inyong title abi. Math 1 exam. Grade 1 math exam. Or grade 1 math first grading exam. Diyan yung isulat, parang may label pa mga mahapos. Then after that, amo dyan ibutang, pwede man the same lang ibutang nyo dyan, parang hapos lang itindiyon. Then after nyo ma-obrada we have here dua ka type, questions and then responses. Kung magamba ka questions, ikaw ma-obra ka question niya karon. Okay? This one is for your question, for the question. This one is for the selection button. Maselect ka di kung ano gusto mo. Pero this one will vary kung ano piliin mo. Kung multiple choice, kung linear, or grid, or short paragraph. Diya karon mapili ka kada din. So, hindi ta pa maklik, hindi ta makita. Pero lang taon nyo karon. Okay. Makita nyo kita karon. This one is to import question. Pwede ka mo ka-import. This one is to add description, add title sa kilid, add image, add video, add selection. So on the bottom part, we have here the duplicate question. Example, gusto mo duplicate. And then the delete, kung i-delete mo, hindi ka gusto. And then we have here the required. Amo to ka ina, kung may asterisk ka mo nakita, dapat naka-required yung question. Okay? So this one, another relevant menu. Pwede ka di-click ka makita mo na kung i-shuffle mo. Gusto mo bala i-shuffle yung mo question. Or para sunod lagi. So, and on the part here sa right, upper right, we have add, on, and then the set questioner color. Ang inyong theme, i-change nyo. Ang itsura na bala, i-change nyo. And then we have here the preview question. Example, tawag mo kung ano yung itsura na i-preview. And we have here the settings. Importante dyan karon dyan settings na. And we have here the send. Ang send, dyan kita ka-link na i-send ta sa ato yung student or sa ato yung respondent. Then yung menu, this one is the menu. So, click na lang dyan karon para makita nyo. Okay, so next, sir. Hindi ko ako, sir. Okay, let's try. But before that, gusto ko ano nyo dyan, kapiho nyo dyan karon para sa inyong additional information and additional understanding about the Google form. This one. http youtube.com may tutorial na ginatudloan ninyo. Para dyan sa Google Classroom, yung isa sa Google Form. Because the Google Classroom, pwede ka mo ka-attach ka inyong form sa Google Classroom para makita ka estudyante nyo later kung may assign ka mga assignment. So, dyan ka sa answer. So, these two link is for the tutorial, for the classroom, and for the Google Form. Paano siya mapura para makita niyo pag dyan ang detail. So, isend lang dyan karoon ni sir ninyo yung presentation para ma-open niyo dyan. So, let's try answering a survey question. This is five question only para ma-try nyo. And then, i-answer nyo kung i-send nyo ka na kung pabalik para makita nyo later kung ano yung natabo. Okay? So, sir, i-send ko kayo mo, sir, yung link. So,
ma'am, you can put the link, ma'am, sa chat box natin diyan, ma'am.
Pwede lang dyan. Sige.
Yes, ma'am. Diyan, ma'am, sa chat box natin. Para ma-ball na dalagi, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Paste ko yung link, then answer it. Dyan do yung link. Then you can answer that, and then I will show you kung ano natabo ka. Okay?
Okay, everyone. So the link for the form is there already on the chat box. Please click that one so that you can answer.
Okay, sige. I-submit nyo lang tapos 5 question man lang, dali na siya. Okay na. have here one na nag-respond. So, ito na lang iba. Okay. Sir I.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, isat ni kita ako, sir, ka-present, sir, man.
Naka-present ikaw, ma'am, naka-ano doon?
Nagkakaon mo dyan?
Naka-link, ma'am, naka-project yung mga screen.
Naka-project doon. Pero sa ako, nabi, sir, hindi ko makita.
Ay, ang PowerPoint mo, ma'am, hindi activated, ma'am. Pero ang sa imo
okay
nga,
lang,
pwede makita.
Ang tab, okay na, makita na.
Yes, nakita, ma'am, ang screen mo, subong.
Okay. So, Ari, sir, sir, nakikita?
Kita na, ma'am. Oo.
Okay,
Pero ang
sige.
PowerPoint mo kayo na, ma'am, hindi siya makita. Kahit tungkol nga wala ma-activate, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. Siguro. Sige. Okay, so four responded. Ni apat na ako nag-respond ka questions. Sige, wala to ang talang iban. Pila kita kabilog man. 14. Yeah, may kulo pa, may kwan pa, may pila kabilog. 12. Okay, sige. Okay, hapos na mag-answer, di ba? Just a click. You have to click only and then okay na dayon. And then submit. Hapos lang yun. Okay, wait na lang ano iban para nga karon dire-diretso ta sa ma-perform na kita dayon. Okay na. Okay, so while iba nagasabat, we can start now. Okay, para hindi ta ma-delay. So, in your screen, have you seen that? Sa screen nyo, here are the questions you can set natin. Technology in the classroom. In this survey, you are looking for, try to create your own with the words leading platform. This is your email. Since this is my asterisk, then these are the questions. Number 1. Have you seen this one, my may asterisk man. This is a required also nga sabtan nyo gid. So, only choose from strongly agree to strongly disagree to strongly agree. So, this is a multiple choice nga type. Okay? Multiple choice siya. Pili ka ng isa. Nan. Okay, this is one part of your question. Another one is a linear. Panawag ka dyan, linear. Linear scale. Diyan makita kung ano yung type of question. Okay. So, amato kayo na, amo yung itsura na. We will type here. What is the not important at all? Very important. Okay, next is this is also linear. Number 3. Pero kung nagagawa dyan sa kaninyo, naka-shuffle da. Why na nagaparasunod. So, para hindi example labi sa mga bata, hindi kaingon dahil sa hindi sa nakapanghiruganay. Okay? So, this one is paragraph. So, ma-answer ikaw, ano gusto mo. Explain ikaw dyan. So, you can add the more explanation you have, pwede ka madali. Okay. This type of form is a questionnaire form. Questionnaire lang daya. Okay? So, lain matara karon niya ana ka mga quiz kan exam. So if I want to check who responded, pa-click ako din sa response. So, kaya nasa questions, this one is for the response. Kung sa question gani, diyan ka mo nag-aubra ka mga questions. Sa response, amo na din respond kay inyong aging padaraan ka questions. Okay? So, we have here, hapos-hapos lang gid very easy na gid mag-collect. Makita mo 6 responded. And then, example, you have sent 15 ka-link, 15 katawang link, pero 6 lang yan nag-respond. So, manaan mo kung estudyante mo, sino absent. Okay? Okay, this one is inside, makita mo yung average, median, and range. Yun na automatic na doon compute, but this one is not for exam. So that is why kita nagbutang ko naka-point value kung pira kada question yung point, hindi man dyan exam. So this is only a survey. So this one, kung sa mga bata nyo bala exam, so makita nyo yung score. Makita nyo, 0 lang kita, hayaw ay kita nagbutang ka-point. Kung ano ya, pinaka-points kada question. Kaya di survey malang mo. So, pwede ka mo kalain-lain ta na point of view. So, kung i-release mo yung score, i-click mo lang din, then ma-add sa mga email nanda. Click mo lang kung sino padaraan. Then send to their email kung pina yung score ng mga bata. Then another one is the graph showing kung sino nag-agree, sino nag-disagree sa question number 1. Example, this is the question number 1. Sino naghambal, pinaka-percent naghambal agree, somehow agree, or ano. So, makita mo na kung mag-research ikaw, pwede mo na ma-uol ya, exact and accurate result kay mga questions. So, in this type, you can also, you have seen here, sino nagambal, okay? So, makita nyo dito yung automatic result. So, this one is your itong kainagi pamangkot. Okay, makita mo na tanan-tanan. Okay, so today, since you have kita mo na yung result, kita mo na yung questions, so we will try to create our own. Okay, nasa inyo. Okay lang? Mag-create do kita ka-aton yung bagong form. Okay. So, if you have a Google, if you have your Gmail, open your Gmail account. Okay, naka-open ka mo tanan. Okay. Okay, open your Gmail account. And then, on your Google Apps, here sa kilid, sa upper right, you have seen their dots, no 9 ka dots sa Google app. You have to click here and then try to look for docs. This one. So after that, you will see your Google Docs. Makita mo dito ng tanan mo get save sa imong drive. Ang imo bala nga drive, makita mo dito tanan yung document nga makita. Okay? Mga document yung pang-ubra mo, since ako yung pag-save ko, di mo ubra ko like kasaunay para hindi madura. So, tanan nga docs, makita nyo dyan sa inyo nga Google Docs. Okay. And then, where is the Google Form? Okay. Click here sa main menu, ang tatlo wala ka line sa kilid. Click mo dapat itaon mo dyan yung Google Form. We have here Google Docs, Sheet, Slides, and then Form. Kita nyo? Then click that one, and it will lead you to the Google Form. Welcome to Google Form. Amo na dyan itsura ka Google Form. Okay. Amo na dyan itsura ka mga Google Form. Okay na? Nag-follow? Hambal ka mo karon, raise ang ano lang ako ha, raise your hand kung hindi ka hindi, pwede ka type questions here, or you can open your microphone and ask question. Okay lang? Pwede pa? Sige pa? Okay. Kaya later karon ka mo gid-obra ka inyo nga questions or survey questions or exam. So next we will proceed. Okay. Kita nyo pa? Sir Ryan, kitaon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay lang, sir. Sige, sir. Thank you, sir. Kaduwa at may nagasabat. Okay, sige. Next is, we have here mga default. Pwede ka mo ka-opera contact information. Pwede ka mo ka-opera ka invitation. RSVP pala. Sa party invitation. Amo din kung isa ginagamit ng mga online, mga invitation. Click lang if you want to join. Para maisip na ako pila kayo yung masulod. So, pwede ka mo nilagamit. Or t-shirt, write-ups. Mga, mga default lang pwede ka mo magamit. Pero kung hindi ka mo gusto magamit dyan, you have to create your own. You will try to use blank form. Makreate kita ka blank form. Okay. So, this one, makreate ako ka blank form. Bobra kita today. Example ka, quiz lang. 1 to 10 yung quiz. Okay? So, click the blank form. And here now is the form. Okay? Kung gusto mo daw malipay ka ka-color, you can click here sa customize theme and then try to choose image kung ano gusto mo image. Napili ka dyan ka mga theme. Okay, since ako yung exam na karon yung move on is mathematics. Okay, example. Relate mo sa mathematics. Pag gusto ka lang kung ano yan theme mo, pwede ka din sa illustrations, birthday, food dining, o pili ka lang dyan, party, kids, na. Sports and games. Okay, so sa school lang ko mapili. Okay, dyan lang ako na. Simple lang. Sige, puno daya lang. Ay, sige, dyan lang. Click insert daya. The theme here will change. Ma-change diyan na makita mo doon dyan na nag-change. Then the background, gusto mo yung color, is change naman sa violet. Kita niyo ng violet, the blue, or green. Okay, kung gusto mo pag-iban yung color, so pagkita ka na yung color yung gusto. Then add. Okay, add. The background, change mo yung background, talainan ka violet, i-change mo sa lain yung color, pwede man. Okay, dala. Then the font, pwede ka makagamit any font. Yung ginataon na kayo. Na basic, formal, and playful. Kasi sa playful lang po. Okay. So, tapos na kita sa first here. The next one is the preview. Preview, amo dyan makita nyo kung tapos nyo na ka-obra, i-preview nyo na obra nyo. Amo dyan itsura nga malabot sa inyo nga student. Okay, na close. Then this one is very important, the settings. Okay, settings. So settings, kung kita bear in mind, kinanlan yung collect email address. I-check mo kita yung collect email address para nga may guide ikaw kung sino nagsulod yung mga estudyante. Okay. So i-limit mo lang in one response. Example, isa lang bala kapadala. Okay. Edit after submit, see summary chart and text response. So hindi lang dapat ilada dyan. Okay. Presentation. Show progress bar, shuffle question order. So kung gusto mo do shuffle, lain talaga, then shuffle lang. Okay. Next, pwede man show progress bar. Ay, sorry. Then the quiz. Make a quiz. Check mo ganyan, make a quiz. Then, release grade immediately after the submission, later after manual review, or gusto mo i-review later after manual review. Then, this one, ipakita na yung missed question, ipakita na yung correct question, ipakita na yung point value. Okay? So, pwede mo na, hindi mo na papakita, point value, pwede naman makita, or correct answer, pwede na makita. Or point value lang gusto mo. So, i-save mo na yun. And then, here now, we will type your form. Paano kita change the title? Example, since I'm going to create mathematics question exam. So I will type my exam. Example, this is my exam. So grade, example, grade 1 or grade 1 math quiz. Math quiz 1. First quiz ko nga, abida ka grade 1 yung math quiz. So, i-change automatic, mag-change the date. Then, from description, pwede ka mo ka-add answer, choose the correct answer or ano inyo dyan description ibutang. Okay? Choose choose or click the correct answer in each questions. Then, for your questions, okay, this is now your question number 1. So, ano ibutang? This one is for the question. So, since I have prepared question here, pwede ko lang mag-call. Copy lang. See, and then paste here. For example, who is the president of the Philippines? Nan. Okay, this is example. And multiple choice. Click mo multiple choice lang tanay. O, sige, multiple choice. Then on here, amo na libutang mo yung mga choices. Example, I have choices here. This one. I-copy ko lang. Copy and then i-paste ko lang to. Na, sulod na dyan. Buon na lang number 1, number 2, number 3. Talagang may number 1, number 2. Buon na lang. Okay. So this is now your choices. Paano butangan ka correct answer. Okay? So go to your answer key, click. Ano yung correct na answer sa question number 1? Okay, sila ka ano gani ko ano yung correct answer. Correct number 1 is letter C. Okay, letter C kung ano yung number 1. So, letter C, 1, 2, 3, C. I-click mo na dyan. So, 400 is the answer. And then, butangan mo kung pira gusto mo ka points. Example, for this question, you have, kung example, lubod lang yung question, matawag 5 points. Then, done. Ay, sorry. Then, done. Na, amo na siya makita. This is the question, this is the correct answer, and this is the point sa ginatag. Click mo required. Click mo required. Para masabtan dito bata. Okay? So, this is now the question number 1. So, we have multiple choice. Okay, magamit kita today ka next. Example, mapili ikaw, kung mag-add ikaw, tsaka nag-click sa kilid ha. Na, tsaka kita mag-click ko. Na. So, add another question example. Hindi, buktan kita, short answer. Who is the ano man question ta? Okay. Okay, who is the president of the Philippines? Example. Since this is a short question, what are the choices? Okay. You can add answer key and then butang mo 1 point and then add correct answer. Rodrigo Duterte. Then add and then required na. Okay, so have you seen this one? Na may asterisk on required. So this is a required pagid. So the answer nyo, correct answer Rodrigo Duterte. Or example, mag-answer namin Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Pwede mo pagit mabutangan. I-answer na pagit. Or another question, another answer is Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Okay. Pwede nga maka-answer ka na ka Rodrigo Duterte, pwede Roa Duterte. The same lang. Okay? So, kung answer siya, makita niyo man the correct answer, pilihan na. Okay. So, this one is short answer. This one is multiple choice kaina. And we will go to add another. Okay? Okay. Multiple choice. Then, paragraph. Mag-click kita paragraph. Okay. Example. Explain or describe why do you like mathematics? Why do you like mathematics subject? So, answer, pwede man, hindi ka magbutang ka answer, ana lang answer, ikaw dati mo basa. Pero this is 10 points. Okay. Cancel done. Okay, so tanan na masulat. Ana nga sa answer. Done. Next paragraph. Another one is example number 1. Another multiple choice. Checkbox, drop line. Okay, dito kita sa checkbox. Okay. Question. Do you like to Another question naman. Do you like to Do you like algebra? Okay, example. Yes. No. Maybe. Okay, about example, yung mga pero this one could not be answered. Ay. Sige. Hindi dyan kaliman siran karon ka? Kung quiz kita, quiz kita mo kita at survey. Dali lang, i-change yung anayuhat. Hindi ka kita tawag. Multiple choice lang kita, anay. Dali lang nga, kung i-delete mo, click mo lang delete. Ay, gusto tagali makita nga may answer gid karon para makita tato yung score. Dali lang, wait lang gid. I-delete ko anay yung next question. Islan ta ka ba? Mabuo lang kita na anay. Okay. Control C. Which year did you most children like swimming lesson? Okay, that's lang. Okay, amo siya. Sorry. Okay, this one. Then, since may graph 2 ya, so i-add na doon yung picture. Diyan kita mag-click ko, i-add na yung picture. Diyan, i-add na yung picture. Save. Ayan. I-add na itong picture, browse. Maturayan niya sa inyo nga. Diyan. Okay, amo na dyan yung picture. Open mo lang. And then, ma-add to sa inyo nga na. Which year did the most children take swimming lesson? So, makita mo na dyan. And then, you have choices. Pagkanta niya choices sa dano. Ang na yun eh. Okay. So, pwede ka mo ka-insert question. Pwede ka pag-question, pwede ka mo ka-insert image or video, pwede man. Some choices na yun kung ano gusto niyo mga choices. Then, since this one is number 6 question. Okay. Okay, the answer is 1995. Oh, so this one is the answer, 1995. Okay, add answer key. This one, 1995, and then points, example, 2 points or 3 points. Okay, 3 points natin. Done. Required. So, required na gidaya. So, we have 19 points answer question. So, magkuha pa isa lang para mag-20. Next is add. Another one. Example, picture dumaya pilian. So, question abi, which picture or image represents freedom. Which image represents hunger? Okay, example lang ang question. So, since image yung napapilian nyo, so we will try to look for the image. Example, click this one, add image. Then, browse. Sa mga pictures mo, dapat may image siya doon dyan yung mga na butang. Example, makita na kita di ka mga picture. Dali lang ako picture galit. Ay po, hindi ako picture. Sige, picture ba anay ka, Juan, kabata. Sige, picture la anay ka. Siya la anay. O, example, open. Na, picture number 1. Number 2, picture man pang taon ta. Add. Picture. Browse. Sample. Jabi. Dapat na-download nyo yung mga pictures. Okay, wait na lang ha. Dali. Okay. Next is another picture. Add one. Okay, next. Add. Sado lang. Kumabay, mag-download. Example, Induman. Sabi. Tatlo lang. Okay, so we'll wait for a while and then we have to upload. Okay, so we have here 3 pictures. Which image represents hunger? Example, the answer is this one. Option 2. Okay, so answer key, click option 2. Then points, example 1 point. Then done. And then click required. None. So we have here total points of your exam is 10, 20 points. So we have here your exam. So kung gusto mo makita, review lang. Nan, amo na dyan itsura na. Kung na-notice nyo, nag-shuffle doon, why doon para sunod kung ano gusto katabo. Okay? So, and then, close it, and then goes here in send. So, in your send, you will send the link to your respondent or to your student. So, mag-click ikaw di. Pwede man ka-send ikaw through email. Sendan mo sa email tanan-tanan i-type mo sa email. Pero para madali, kung may group chat ka mo or may group ka mo nga mga pwede ka mo di kabutang ng kalink. Mabuka ka na di kalink, i-shorten mo yung link, pwede man. Shorten link, gusto i-copy mo lang, and then, i-send mo na lang ito. Example, i-send na di sa atong yung group. Okay. Chat. I-send ko na di sa group. Paste. I-send mo na lang dyan. So, pag-open Open ang daliwat, masulod dahil di sa response. Kung nag-reply sanda, example, nag-reply tong mga sa group nyo, masulod ito dayon to sa response para sa ina. Pariho ka ina nga may. Pariho to ka ina nga pero gusto ka ina nga sa response, makita mo may nag-6 nga nag-respond and then makita mo dahil niya score nanda. Kung pila yung nag-answer kay insakto. Tapos i-release mo lang, balik ito ka nanda dayon niya score. Okay. So this is how easy form makes your work very easy again. Di ka kinahanglan magsagad ka check. Si form do lang talaga check inyo exam. So you have to try creating your own. So I encourage you to create your subjects, sa inyo lang mga subjects na ginatuloan. Only 10 questions. Dapat may gid, may nakabutang gid nga pwede, question lang para sa exam, di that sa survey, medyo maupin yung survey. So exam lang para multiple choice lang, essay, short answer. And then you have to insert pictures, just like this one sa inyong choices, and insert pictures sa question mismo. And also you can insert video by clicking this one, add video. Pwede man ka muli ka add image kung kaina bala na. Pwede man siya ako mag-click sa kilid kaina. Na pwede man ka muli ka click. Example video. Pwede man ka maka-click ka video. Ma-add ka di. So, watch the video. Example, may question ka dyan. Ma-add ka video sa YouTube. Example, math. Addition. Example, this one, i-add mo, select mo, ipabutang mo di sa video na, and then try to watch the video and answer. Watch the video. Example, so, may question ikaw, what is 1 plus 1? One plus 1. Pwede man based on the video, based on the clip, video clip, what is 1 plus 1? That be example. Then, center. Multiple choice. Ayan. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Ay, wait lang ha. Diyan may butang sa dadong. Itong sa babaw kaina, what is 1 plus 1? Watch the video clip. What is 1 plus 1? Kamabutang ka, what is 1 plus 1? Okay. Example 2. 3. 11. 5. Okay. Then answer is example 2. This is 1 point. And then that. Okay. So, malandaw siya ni video, then ma-answer sa questions. Okay? So, try to make your own by adding pictures on the question, adding pictures on the selection, and then this one. Okay, bisan 10 questions lang para dasi. So, i-check na ni Sir Ayan later and ma-present ito para later. Okay, so thank you for giving me the time to share with you and hope na may nabuhay ka mo, may na-learn ka mo sa ato yung Google Form. Very easy lang din. Kung may question ka mo karon, you can ask me and you can answer Ayan. Okay, so thank you and good morning.
Oops.
Sir I,
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. We'll start our workshop now, and later on, Ma'am Ditney will join us for the ano, ma'am,
Presentation.
for the presentation. Okay. So I
Isa-isa
think
rin sa present, gamay malasanda mo.
yes, ma'am. Dali man lang da, ma'am.
O, bisan
Ano
5
siya?
questions na lang. Okay,
Yes,
bisan 5
yes.
questions na lang. Okay, good.
Okay.
And
So,
i-share na sir yung link sa may chat box para makita ta. Sige.
Time check is 10:20. I think mga 11, ma'am, siguro tapos naman daguro sanda, ma'am.
Mga 11 tapos na dahil 5 questions
11.
pa lang.
Okay. So we'll start our presentation at 11 a.m. Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone.
Thank you mo. Wait lang kami inyo nga pala. Kaprobra na.
Okay, sige.
Inom-inom, ano dyan, soft drinks, sa pilit.
Oo.
Thank you everyone. Magkitain ng tababay mga
See you later.
Sige, sir.
All right, so it's 11 a.m. time check, and it's about time that we have the demo or the presentation of your Google Forms. Let me call on Ma'am Ditney to critique some of the forms of our participants. First one to put her link on our chat box is Ma'am Bless La Pastora. So I think Ma'am Bless is ready to give her demonstration on the on her Google form. Ma'am Bless. Ma'am Bless, are you ready to present your form?
Wait lang yun, sir. Lang yung set up ko. Sir.
Okay, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. And second to pass her Google form is Ma'am Amy. I think Ma'am Amy will present after Ma'am Bless.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
siguro hindi kaya ka ako ng internet connection ang mag-share
Ah.
screen. So, pwede na lang i-on ko ako ng phone and then
Yeah.
ito-on ko lang sa screen.
Ako na lang, ma'am, ma-present, ma'am. Kaya may link man, di ka nakon.
Sige.
Okay. I-describe lang, ma'am, siya. Then, i-critic lang naman ni ma'am Ma'am Ditney ang ginobra mo, ma'am. Okay, so let me present ang obra ni ma'am. So, wait lang.
Ano yung nilalalim ng 170?
Okay, ma'am. You may, ma'am. Ma'am Bless, you may proceed, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So this is my first output in Google Form. I never tried this before, so this is my first time. What I did is, this is the exam for grade 3 English, which is verb. So question number 1, do I need to read the every question, sir?
Yes, ma'am. It's only a sample question, ma'am. Sige, para.
Okay. So the first question is, Kurt plays basketball every afternoon. So what is the verb in the sentence? So I put the picture of a boy playing a basketball. So then the first choice, the choices are Kurt, verb B, plays, and afternoon. So I will click the correct answer, which is the plays. Okay, so that is the answer because ang question ginapanita ang verb. The next thing is the question number 2. My cat blank milk. So what is the correct verb that fit in the sentence? So the choices are drink, drinks, and drinked. So the correct answer is drinks because cat is singular. Yeah, singular. Next. Number 3, which is critically written? My dog likes to go walking in the park, or my dog likes to go walking in the park. My dogs likes to go walking in the park. And the next is number 4. Nobody blanked to swim because it's too cold. What is the correct verb in a given sentence? And last is what is a verb. So far overall, as I make this Google form na quizzer, okay man siya, na-enjoy ko it. And which is very convenient, especially now sa online teaching. Wala lang, sir.
Okay. Let me hear the comment from Ma'am Daphne. Ma'am, do you have something to say about Ma'am Bless' presentation, ma'am?
Okay, very good, very good. One thing lang, be clear ko, did you remember when I put required on the bottom part? Makikita na rin yung asterisk ngayon rin sa mga sentence. Why mo siya guro ma-click? Ma'am Bless.
Okay, ma'am. Noted, ma'am. Ano ka lang, ma'am.
I-click ibang, ano mo lang siya, ibang record, para nga ma-surrounded ka na. Then you will put point. Kaya duwain mo siya ng putan ang correct answer, bala. Then you have to give the points, whether it's 1 point or 2 points, para mag-correct ikaw sa imong sense sanda ka na sir, makita mo kung pila-ila nga scores. Kaya kung mo
Okay,
siya
ma'am.
muna ka required, kasi hindi mo siya pag-record mo sila scores, hindi mo makita kung ano ang correct sa bal.
Okay, ma'am. Noted, ma'am. Change ka lang.
Very good, bro. Very good, kid. Dami, kid. Mama na nalipatan.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, very good.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Bless.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Okay, second one will be the form from Ma'am Amy.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
So, since sir,
Is it okay,
na-present
ma'am?
naman ni Miss Bless, siguro sir, ano ko na lang, ipakita ko na lang is kung paano maghalingit sa puno, kung paano gibala mag-open sa
Okay, ma'am.
tanan. And then, since napakita naman ni Miss Bless kung paano ang sa Google Form nila, sir, baliing ako niya i-present na lang, sir, is kung paano kung paano magbutang sa answer key, mga mo na lang na go, sir. Pwede, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
Or papresent ko parehas kay Miss Bless.
Sige, ma'am. You can go ahead, ma'am. Do your thing.
Pwede mo lang sir, mabaliwat kay utod-utod akong connection.
Okay, ma'am. You can, ma'am. You can present now your, ma'am. You can discuss the, Yes, ma'am.
I-try ko lang din, sir. Sige, sir.
Sige, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
So, kitaon na akong screen, sir. Kitaon na akong screen, sir.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Oh, kita na, ma'am.
So, what I just did, sir, is to go to the, ang kitaon na, sir, nga nag-account ko sa Google, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what I just did is to go to the Google app and then search for the Google form. And then, I go to the Google Forms, I have to sign in, but I already have my account. So, what I just did is to start another blank form. And then, so as what Ma'am Dakudaw presented kagina, I have to put the title. So just like here, I'm going to write the title. For example, grade 3 English quiz. So since I have already, the second one here is the, for example, your what do you call direction. For example, choose the letter
Corrections.
of the correct answer. So I'm just going to create one question, sir. Ha? For example,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
already have here my work, sir. So my number one is just like also with Mom Bless. I am also creating a English quiz, and my topic is pronouns. So here is number one. Klexi has a beautiful bracelet. Blank wears it every day. So I have here I choose the multiple choice, which in I have the letter A, she, for letter B, he, and letter C, they. So what I did, here is the correct answer. So I already, so no no. Um ay ikaw nang kapag sir ang kung paano mag ano sa answer kay sir no. So if you want
Yes, ma'am.
nga gusto mo mag ano ipakita ko lang sir kung paano magbutang sa answer key. What I did is I just click the question, and then gin ano ko di sir gimbutang ko lang di and click ang sa dalom, and then I have to choose the right answer, and then click this one to show, and then kung sino man ang mag-try sang question niya ni sir, makita na ang magwa na bala sa result na sir nga amo gid siya ang correct answer. And
Yes, ma'am.
then just like that, amo lang na ang ginubra ko sir sa tanan, naubra ko nga question. And sa ano man ni sir, for example, magbuhat ka man sang question nga with pictures, you just have to click this one.
Mm.
And then you can choose here whether i-upload mo or using camera or using URL. And of course, if you want to choose man nga mag add ka sa video, you just have to click this one, this, and then you can choose any videos here in YouTube, or ang URL lang imo i-copy, and then ma-ano lang na siya, ma-appear lang na sa. And then just like
Yes,
that,
yes.
you just have to, okay, after that, after saving all, gin-copy ko lang, and then nag-add lang ko diya, sir. Na mo na. And then amo na akong gid
Uh,
send, sir. So
okay.
so far, amo lang gid na akong nga
Okay.
ano, sir. Okay na, sir?
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Amy. I think it's well said man siguro. No? Very good, ma'am. Mm-mm.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am Amy. Okay. Ma'am Amy. The same thing lang.
Yes,
Kanina kay
ma'am.
ma'am. You have, ibalik yung na slide mo, ma'am. Sir, pero
Yes, ma'am.
project ka kay ma'am. I-open yung, i-share na yung presentation mo, ma'am, please.
Wait yan. Dahil lagi ba?
Share, i-present
So,
lang.
ma-present na ko sa Okay, ma'am.
Para makita. Very good, yun ma'am. Mo. Happy ko kayo. Ba't abang ka mo dayo? Dasig.
Oo.
Sa inyo,
Ako na naman ako, ma'am, na work, ma'am.
Amo na siya. Okay. Ma'am, have you seen the number 1 question? Balik ano ma'am. Sa idalong pala ma'am, may key ng mga sagot.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So,
What I
click lang ma'am. Click ano ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Click mo siya. Then sa points di sa babaw wala ma'am. You have to assign how many points will you
Okay.
Yes, Nad. Kung 1 or 2 para mag-check ka ma'am, kabalo ka kung pila sila. Kay mabalaan mo na
Pira ka points
sa ano
sa mga pira ka items, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Nad. Para
So
balaan
far-
ko pila ka items imo exam. Kag kung mag-check ang Google, ang si form, balaan niya kung pila ang score niya.
Ang score, ma'am.
Oo. Para mabalaan
Okay.
mo, balaan mo na yun, ikaw mismo, balaan mo na kay ma-record ang score mo. Butaan mo siya sa points,
Okay,
pila
okay.
ihatag mga points
Okay, ma'am.
for this question. Then, idan lang
Okay,
siya.
ma'am.
Oo, that's all.
Okay,
Idan
first
naman
time lang ni namon, ma'am. Wala pa namon ni
Okay.
na-try, abi, ma'am, sa school namon.
Ay, okay. Very good. Gani ka balo na ka mo
Oo,
ng
so,
privilege. Gamay na lang yun. Amo man
so,
lang na, ang mga
so
importante
pwede na,
nga mga
siguro magamit din namon ni ma'am.
mga gamit yung
Magamit din
ni
namon
kay
ni.
hapos
Oo,
na may
ma'am.
convenient para sa teachers din. Tapos ma'am, i-udan
Okay,
anay
ma'am.
ma'am. Kaya may isa pa ko nga i-add. Ang balik na
Then,
mo sa
ma'am.
presentation.
Okay.
Nan, ara siya ma'am pagid ang pinaka-importante pagid, ara mas dalong gawa. Pagwagit sige. Ara siya ma'am ang o idan anay siya ma'am tapos na sagot. Okay na.
Tapos na.
Dan.
And
Okay.
then,
Naara siya ma'am
okay. So,
ari siya bala sa
nagawa na siya, ma'am.
right. Okay, na makita mo na may points ang sa right. Na dira, i-click mo gid siya ang required. Kinakailangan.
Required siya. Para nga,
Required
ano,
gid
hindi siya kahalin kung ano,
O hindi siya kahaling kung hindi ka masabtan.
Okay.
Pero wala siya
magsabtan.
missing na ano. O siya missing na
Answer.
answer. Yan, i-required mo gid na siya ma'am. And that's all.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Na para okay na.
Okay.
Ang mga exam, only one, ano lang, one pa lang, pero 5 na question. Pero paano mo na siya tanan? Yan. Ma'am, may nag-respond.
Okay,
I-click
ma'am.
ba lang ang respond? I-click ang
Ako ni ma'am, ang nag-try ko ni Kagina.
Hindi, nag-answeran
Kagin
ikaw?
kung...
Nag-answer ko sa
Okay,
imo.
okay, got it.
Oo.
Sige, sige, ma'am.
Walang tawabi ma'am kung nakita mo ko da.
Ang ari, ma'am, i-click ko lang na.
Na
So
Ah.
lagi zero. Kaya po, ma'am, kaya wala ko siya nabutangan point.
Oo, na zero kami, kaya
Okay,
wala mo siya
Ay,
nabutangan kung
all
ilang
in
points.
all, mga tsakto tani ang mga sabat, kaso wala ko lang siya nabutangan sang some points, equivalent points for each correct questions. Correct
Ako man
answer.
na kay Ma'am Bless, dapat nakaamugit na siya para
Oh.
mabalaan yung kung sino ang naka-perfect, sino
Ako
ang
na
may
ako
sagot.
nalipatan, ma'am.
Very good total kita na inyo. Very good kita na.
Dasig sanda, maganda.
Congratulations!
Maganda.
Very good yun.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Amy.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's move on to another presenter. Volunteer first, after Ma'am Amy and Ma'am Bless. You can send the link to me so that I can project it, or you can project it on your laptops, man.
O sa chat box, isend nyo lang ang link para ma-open ko pag man si Ren.
Ma'am Ditney,
Yes, sir?
they can also use cell phone, ma'am, no, di ba?
Of course, oo. Pwede sila ka
Yes.
cellphone. Mga simple
Ah.
questions lang, sir. Bisan wala ka pictures ko na budlayan yun.
Yes, yes.
Question lang. Simple lang. What is your
Sa-
favorite subject? Nasa simple lang ang questions. Okay lang din. What is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 2? Parang may experience yung mo so far. Kaya namin yung for.
Let me call Ma'am Jenny. Ma'am Jen, do you have something to present to us? Ma'am Jenny? Okay, not yet siguro. Ma'am Mikey, do you have your Google form na, ma'am? Ma'am Mary May, are you finished na, ma'am, sa Google form? Wala pa. O sige, Ma'am Joy, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Pwede ka, ma'am, ka-present na, ma'am, sa imo nga ma'am, form?
Sorry, gid kaya internet ko gid, sir. Gid siya ga-loading gawa.
Okay, ma'am, sige, ma'am.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, ma'am, you can send your Google form later, ma'am, sa ano.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, before we end our session for this morning, I think let me remind lang for the participants to send to me your link for your Google form so that I can give you your certificate for this session. Let me um, let me just tell you lang that this afternoon will be our free day. Supposedly we have another session, but unfortunately, due to some circumstances, we will not push through with the afternoon session. But anyway, we are all good naman siguro. At least all of the topics were covered from other sessions, webinar naton series. So at this juncture, let me present the certificate to Ma'am Ditney. Okay, let me wait lang. Okay, so let me present the certificate of recognition to Detni P. Dakudao, EDD, for having rendered her expertise on utilizing Google Forms on teacher learning enhancement in computers, series number 4, held last March 12, 2021 via Google Meet, conducted by the College of Computer Studies and Extension Services and Community Development. So given this 12th day of March 2021, signed Gifred Ian P. Panisa, EDD, Chair Extension Services and Community Development, electronically signed by Rex DD, SDIT, Campus Administrator. So thank you, everyone. Ma'am Ditni, do you have still something to say for this morning? It's very productive, no?
I'm happy that may nag-present very good presentation, very good output of ang iba no content kay Sir ay kung malalaman niya kalipayan niya sa output ikaw. Okay, thank you everyone for listening and thank you for your time spent sa aming training. So next time may ara naman yung sabay yung attend. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ayat.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Ditni. And kanami gid kag productive ang morning naton tulad. And I hope nga magamit ninyo gid ang natun-an ninyo tulad nga adlaw. Magamit ninyo gid sa school ninyo. So in the name of our campus ad and our the dean for the College of Computer Studies and the extension service chair, this is Ayan Pisugatan, and together with Dr. Dikni Dakudao. And thank you so much and good morning. I will just put the attendance for this morning sa chat box natin sa GC. And then you can also send me the link there sa GC lang. Please hold on. Just give us a week or another week at 2 so that we can prepare all of your certificates and I can check your work outputs, and then I can give you your certificates, and then I will just inform you when can you get the certificates here na sa school. So thank you ma'am, and good morning gid sa tanan.